The dynamic individuals born on this day possess enormous drive and persistence. The determination associated with the root number 8 is fairly well camouflaged by the congenial charm and sociability of your Cancer sun sign. Although sensible, practical, and ambitious, you are also self expressive, imaginative, and artistic. Finally, you are shrewd, initiative, and able to establish and maintain a healthy bank balance. With all these talents added to your reliability and willingness to work hard, you can make your mark in virtually any field in the art, sports, business, or the professions. Those with June 26 birthdays are outwardly strong and powerful, yet thin-skinned and emotionally fragile within. You function best when you are able to maintain a balance between your inner and outer natures. While you are empathetic and understanding with regard to other people's problems, secrecy and mistrust prompt you to keep your own difficulties to yourself. You have an inner defense system that springs into action when you are feeling insecure. If things don't go the way you have planned, you conceal your disappointment in order to keep up appearances. You are sensitive but also self-reliant. When hurt, your instinct is to retreat into Cancer's protective shell and stay there until you have worked things out to your own satisfaction. In your personal relationships, you don't like to appear vulnerable. However, once your love and confidence have been won, you will remain loyal forever.